68 Camaro, the real rusty one. I'm going to show you where we're starting here. We're waiting on panels. I had to order some panels in. Like I said, I don't want to get into welding any major structural stuff on this stuff like floors and all that till I kind of get this car together. I like to just see where everything is, make sure there's no twists or anything, but I am playing with the dash today. So let's take a look. So I've cut the top of the dash out here because it was rusted out, and this is what you find underneath, and this is all the stuff that customers don't see, so I want to show it. It's all rusted in behind. So obviously now we got to cut this panel out, replace this panel before we can do this panel. So you never see this kind of stuff. So if anything, this is just to show you guys what's going on with this car and the rust repair we're doing, and to show some people out there that might be going to shops and wondering, where did all my money go? Well, this is what happens. Sometimes shops find rust in behind, and what do you want us to do? I mean, sure, it's quick and easy to put a patch over top of here. You're never going to see that. Who would ever see it? But you still got rust here. This is never going to die. It's going to continue, and it's going to continue to eat away here, then it's going to continue to eat your new patch. So you cut it out, you fix it, you do it right. That's just the way it goes. Now I can see right here on this side, I didn't show you this as I went, but this one was the same as that side, except it wasn't quite as long, and I did the same thing. So I did post some pictures on my Facebook, Old Time Garage, and on my Instagram page, Ricks_Old Time Garage. You can see them there too. So this area is all done. We're going to take care of this area. The rest of the dash is good. So that's what we're doing. So I've started, where did it go? Oh, here we go, right here. I've started making a piece, as you can see. I've started bending it to get the right shape, because you can see this is bent down here. I've marked out where the holes are. I go to the, you know, we've got these little square kind of rectangular holes I've marked out there. So we're going to cut this out, like I say, we're going to butt weld that right in there. Then we're going to make this whole piece over top, and we're going to butt weld that. Now we still got some rust here back here got to deal with too, obviously. You can see it right up in here. So we'll take care of that too. But yes, that's what we're taking care of. So we'll take care of that. Other than that, hey, then they'll have a solid dash. What can we say, right? Yeah, look, if you look carefully. Oh, that's just grease. I thought that was a rust hole. Never mind. We even got to fabricate all this. Like whoever cut this off, this is where the convertible top would come down. You can kind of see this piece right here, how it's got a bend. This should be all the way around, and it's missing. And that isn't something you'll buy. We'll just have to make it. Quarters you can buy. Inner and outer wheel tubs you can buy. Trunk pan you can buy. I went through, made a list, ordered everything that I needed for this car. I mean, you can see somebody in the day patched it right over top again. Typical spot from the rust on these cars, because the leaf springs come up through here. Again, you can see here they did the same thing. And of course, it's rusting back in here, you know, and that's where your subframe rails are, which is typical. The shit gets stuck in between them and they rust out. So that's what we're doing. So anyway, we're attacking the dash today. Quick little video. So like I say, watch us on Facebook, watch us on Instagram. You'll see pictures as we go along, and you can check it out there. Okay guys, thanks for subscribing. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time.